Looking at volume of prisms and cylinders. Rectangular prism. On your reference sheet you'll see volume is equal to length times width times the height. Find the volume of the rectangular prism. Length times width times height. 8 times 6 times 4. 192 centimeters cubed. We always refer to our volume as cubed. Find the volume of this rectangular prism. Length times width times height. 10 times 3 times 2 is 60 meters cubed. Find the volume of this cube. Length times width times height. 3 times 3 times 3, 27 millimeters cubed. Length times width times height. 6 times 6 times 6, 216 meters cubed. Prism formula on your reference sheet. Volume is equal to capital B times H. Volume means, big B means area of the base. So in this particular case we see a triangular prism. Our base is a triangle, so we have to find the area of that base times the height. Our height in this case is 6. So our formula for a triangle is 1/2 times base times the height. So that means 1/2 times 4 times 3 is 6. So big B is equal to 6. So big B times H. 6 times 6 is 36 feet cubed. Find the volume of this triangular prism. Now, when we normally think of the base as what it's setting on, but in this case it's the two opposite ends, top and bottom. So it's a triangular prism, so area is equal to 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 times 8 times 6. That's equal to 24. So big B is equal to 24. So big B times H, 24 times 7. 168 feet cubed. Cylinder formula on your reference sheet. Volume is equal to pi times radius squared times h. Now let's think about this for a second. Pi times radius squared, isn't that actually the area of a circle? And the base of a cylinder is a circle, so it's still really big B times h. That also means pi times radius squared, which means pi times radius times height. Reminder, 2 times radius is equal to the diameter. If the diameter is 10, then the radius is 7. Let's try this one here. Our formula. Pi times radius squared times h. So 3.14 times 5 squared times 3. 3.14 times 25 times 3, which really means 75 times 3.14 235.5 meters cubed. Find the volume of this cylinder. Volume is equal to big B times H. Volume is equal to This is 8, but that's the diameter, so our radius is 4. Pi radius squared times h. 3.14 times 4 squared times 6. 3.14 times 16 times 6. Punch that into our handy calculator. It comes out to 301.44 feet cubed. A nice assignment would be page 679, numbers 6 through 17.